Toastmasters and my dear friends. There is a proverb which says, love is blind. But in the current society, I am seeing that love is too many eyes. Boys and girls, they verify so many things. They verify religion, caste, monetary position, status, everything before they love. These girls verify the salary slip. Boys verify the saree slip. Boys verify the beauty of the girl. Girls verify the kitty, money. If you have too much money, you are honey. If you don't have money, you are sunny. Now there's so many eyes. And there is no love at first sight. Love happens only after so many sights of so many girls. And after verifying so many websites, you have the social networking sites like Facebook. Facebook is a mass book, at the same time it's a fake book. 50% of the IDs are fake IDs. One of my friends, he fell in love with a girl by seeing the profile picture in the Facebook. And later on, found her as a grand old lady. But our generation Y guys, they are very, very cautious. They compare the Facebook profile with the Google profile, with the Twitter profile, with the LinkedIn profile. Then only they start loving. So love has so many eyes. You go to college campus or go to office canteen, you can see boys surrounded by girls, girls surrounded by boys. It seems there is no one-to-one relationship. There is one-to-many and even many-to-many relationship. They call it as friendship. There is a thin line between the friendship and the love. Melissa would code. If you stand on that side, you are a friend. If you come to this side, you are a lover. Come to this side, you are a lover. And you can go to that side or you can come to this side. There is no problem. Today you can be a lover, tomorrow you can be a friend. The day after tomorrow you can again be a lover. That's the problem. In computer age they call it as on-demand love. You would have heard about the software as a service, right? Like that, lovers also became a service in the cloudy environment. So love has so many eyes. When you go to theatre, you can see the lovers first they go to the popcorn queue. I was wondering why they are going to, are they coming to see the movie or they are going to eat popcorn? Even though the bell rings, they don't care. They just stand on the popcorn queue and get the popcorn. Then only I found out the reason. No, the popcorn, it's given in a cup. It's a big cup, right? It's called tub. They take the popcorn tub and they cover their face and then they go and sit. I don't know whether it is a secret love or sacred love. Inside the auditorium, you can see many popcorn faces. Also, we get into a popcorn mela. And then if you go to beach, there also they go behind the boat. And then they buy all these things, samosa, everything. Now the samosa guys, they become very rich. That's why, if you are an IT guy, then they verify this card, Visa card or Master card. If you are a junior, no problem. If you are a fired senior, then there is a problem. They will not accept the Visa card in spite of you are having so many Visa stamps in your passport. These are all the faces I have seen in love. So love, it does not seem to be blind for me, madam.